People ask why they see these lights in our videos. Why do we use line boards and light boards to repair dents? Here's the very simple answer. Straight line, dent is gone. Wavy line, dent is still there. Some guys work in fog or frost. That was my repair method of choice. Some guys work in lines. Frost is where the lights are a little wider and a little frostier or foggier on the edges. And you might see a line board in a video where the lines are very tight. Both are great tools to repair dents, but the way the dent is repaired in each feature is different depending on how the technician receives that information through the light board. We're using those light boards to reflect off the car, to find the highs and lows that need to be released and all of the tension that needs to be released for that dent to be removed. American Dent Specialists is the tip of the spear in our area. We're highly trained. We've been doing it for 25 years and we do it at an expert level. Come see us at American Dent Specialists. We're here to help.